Welcome to an all-new episode of To Your Health. I'm your host, Rhonda Alfred, and on this episode, I have joining me Dr. Caleb Dupre, a hospital medicine physician, and Kirby LeConte, a physician practice administrator. They have been doing a lot of mobile medical outreach in our community, and they're going to be sharing with us exactly what they're doing and where they're doing it. Welcome to the show.
Thanks, we're happy to be here.
All right, well, let's get started with Dr. Dupre. You're new to our staff, but not new to Houma. So please tell us what brought you back.
Yes, ma'am. I was born and raised in Houma, did high school and met my high school sweetheart there in Houma Christian. Went to Thibodaux at Nicholls State University for college, and then I went up to Shreveport for the last 8 years. So it was always in my master plan to come back to Houma, and I'm certainly happy to be here.
Well, I'm so glad we got you back. And Kirby, since you've joined us last, you have a new role. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, correct, Rhonda. Previously, I ran all the wellness initiatives for Terrebonne General. Still currently do that, but also promote a relationship between our organization and our employed physician practices. In addition, I also collaborate with our providers on trying to make sure that we give the best quality care to our patients and promote our service lines throughout the hospital and to work with our community providers.
Okay, that's a lot to keep you busy.
It does.
All right, well, let's start talking about outreach. Kirby, y'all have been doing very much outreach in the community. Tell us what kind of clinic you're providing and why you're doing it.
So post-Hurricane Ida, we saw a need for, or to offer health care to our Bayou regions. A lot of our patients could not make it to our clinics. We want to be able to give them some type of provider relationship or some type of health care to deal with their medical needs. So we decided to do a mobile clinic. Currently we are doing our mobile clinics in the Bayou region. We would like to eventually expand that. But we've seen a great appreciation from our Bayou regions, and we would hope to continue doing our mobile clinics.
Well, that's wonderful. Dr. Dupre, what kind of services are provided at the mobile medical clinic?
So we're providing urgent care, but that includes both acute and chronic problems. So if we can't help you, we certainly can get you to somewhere who can. We're also doing COVID testing, and we have flu vaccines and tetanus shots that we can also give to help out the community in any way.
So, Kirby, where are you all going with the mobile medical clinic?
So we saw the biggest need in our Bayou regions. Because of the hurricane, we saw that most people didn't have a way to get to us. So Pointe-aux-Chenes, Dulorge, Dulac, North Terrebonne areas are where we're located at the moment, but eventually we'd like to continue to other areas.
Dr. Dupre, what type of cases are you seeing the majority of?
So with everyone's houses kind of turned upside down, a lot of people just need medication refills. So we've been kind of writing prescriptions for just refilling medications. And then also we have a lot of just acute illnesses and colds, the common cold, and managing people's blood pressures and other chronic health problems as well.
Right. Have you seen a lot of COVID cases? Just wondering.
Surprisingly not there.
Well,
I
that's
haven't
good
personally,
news.
so.
Well, that's good news, for sure. So, Kirby, what is the upcoming schedule?
The upcoming schedule for our mobile clinic is Monday, November 1st, we will be in Pointe-aux-Chenes. And then on November 3rd, which is a Wednesday, we will be in North Terrebonne, and that is going to be in the parking lot across from Roby Show Ford.
Okay, and tell me, when you do go out there, isn't there, I heard there were like hot meals along with your medical services, is that true?
We try to provide as many services as possible to go along with our outpatient mobile clinic. We provide food, we also provide some supplies as well.
So yeah, a good hot meal will draw a huge crowd.
A huge
crowd,
crowd,
sure.
very, very much.
All right, so Dr. Dupre, how does it feel to give back to the community in need right now?
So I feel like I got here just in time to help out, and it certainly has been a privilege and an honor to be back and helping out the community that I grew up in.
Okay, and Kirby?
Working with the community is a huge passion of mine. So with that being said, just a simple thank you for what you're doing I mean, we get excited just to say thank you, just to get a hug, to say that we enjoy the services that you guys provide. Terrebonne General is always willing to do something for our community because they're always willing to give back to us.
Yeah, you probably get more out of it than they do.
Oh, definitely so.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, well, thanks so much for making a huge difference in our community.
Thank you,
It's our
Rhonda.
pleasure.
Terrebonne General is making every effort to provide care in our community. If you need more information, go to tghealthsystem.com. Thank you for watching To Your Health. I'm your host, Rhonda Alfred, and I'll see you right back here next time.
There are many strengths in our cancer center. I think one of the biggest is patients don't have to go elsewhere to get technology for their diagnosis and treatment of their cancer. Our treatment machine, the linear accelerator, allows us to pinpoint and treat cancers with more accuracy than ever was possible before. Mary Bird Perkins Cancer Center provides leading-edge technology with the highest quality care and the best treatment options unique to each patient.